Hi, you guys. It is your favorite pretty girl peeps, and I am back with another video. I'm trying to get consistent again. Hopefully you guys are enjoying that. So today I want to let you guys know that I am an ambassador for a hair brand. It is called Go Sleek. My line sister suggested this brand to me, so I had to jump on, had to see what it was about. And I just figured, why not become a brand ambassador so I could get you guys a discount, so I could get me a discount. So my discount code is going to be PGP15, and the link you need to go to is going to be in the bio. So we're just going to go ahead and get started because I am actually getting dressed to go to an event. So I got, this is 100% human hair. It says Go Seamless. I got the seamless clip ends. And these are clip-in extensions. This is virgin hair. I got 16 inches of hair. So this is what it looks like. This Go Seamless. Go Seamless. This is what it looks like. And I got the Body Wave 16 inches, and I think it's 160 grams. I love this little baggie that it comes in. This is super cute. And then it actually comes with a few extra clips as well. So I'm not going to talk too much. We're just going to go ahead and get going and put this in. My hair was already straightened the other day, so I'm not going to really worry too much about that. I'm going to start parting the hair in the back. And then I'm going to kind of show you guys what the clip-ins look like, but just want to kind of get it going in the back. And this isn't going to be like how I'm permanently probably going to wear them because, like I said, I have an event. So I'm kind of rushing right now to try to get this hair installed because I want to leave by like 10:50. So in a perfect world, that's the time I would like to leave, is about 10:50. So I struggle with showing the back of my head, so you guys probably won't see the back of my head, just being honest. And I can't part that well, so just know they're going to be on there. Just know that that's the point of the video, is to show you guys that the clip-ins, they're on. The mic is on. So we're going to take them out so you guys can see what they look like. Super cute. They come in this little baggie. And then, like I said, I like the baggie to store them in because that is one problem I have with clip-ins. Afterwards, sometimes you can't really store them. So you guys are going to get a 10% discount. I got a 10% discount. I only got one pack. If you got a bigger head than I have. Oh, look at these waves. 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 It's waving. It's waving. It's waving. It's waving. It's waving. It's waving. If you have thicker hair, you may want to get 2 packs. I might need 2 packs. Who knows? But my hair is on the thin side, so I think I might be able to get away with these right here. And this is what they look like. I'm going to show you guys a close-up. This is what they look like. I like these because they are seamless. So seamless means they're not bulky with the track. They're like very flat to the head like this. This is what it looks like on the track. Super cute. And you get about, I think it's 8 pieces. So these are some of the bigger pieces. So I'm looking for like a 3-piece maybe. So something like this is what I'm looking for to go in the back if I can't find a 2-piece, which I might be able to find a 2-piece. So far I'm just finding 3 pieces. And then I might put the 2 pieces on the side. And then I got 2 1-piece. So this actually comes with quite a bit of hair. So I think I'm going to start with the 3 pieces in the back. Just unpop them like so. Start with these in the back near the nape. And I did not straighten my hair because I feel like when you straighten it, it makes it a little less easier to have something for the hair to actually adhere to. And these went on, as you can see, very easily, very nicely. So I'm going to put a 3 above this. Not too far up, but not too far up, if that makes sense. So I'm running out of space. So I might put a couple more in back here, but then wait until I get to the top to kind of show you guys how I do it, because I'm running out of time and running out of room on this here camera. So right above that, I'm going to do another 3. Then above that, in case I run out of room again, I'm going to do a 4 above this one. And my parting is already, like I said, not the best. And I'm kind of in a rush, so it's really not the best right now. So we kind of just rolling right now, just making some things happen out of thin air right now. Because I don't want them to be too close together either. Because you want to make sure you have some room. So I'm going to try to find another 3. And I'm mainly focused those 4s near the like top part of the hair. I thought I had another 3. I could have swore I had another 3. But if I don't, maybe what I'll do, unless it fell somewhere. Oh, it fell. It fell. So we're going to go ahead, kind of comb it out a little bit and put this 4 on. I mean, this 3 on. Then above this is where I'm going to put my 4s. So this hair is beautiful. And this is 16 inches. So I'm gonna start, I got two 4s, so we're gonna start parting a little bit thicker and move these up a little bit more, these 4s. And again, I can't part y'all, so I'm gonna put 1 4 in and then probably put the other 4 in off camera to save some room. I probably should have spread that 3 out just a little bit more. So I need to part a little bit more over here. But yeah, like I said, y'all, I can't really part, so this is like the DIY version. So do another one, do a 4 real quick, and do another 4. We're also getting ready for a garage sale at the same time. So far, like I said, I really like this hair. The quality is definitely giving A1, and I just broke a nail. Life just be lifing. So I find that if you pop them all and have them ready to go, that's how this situation typically will work the best, is if you just already have them locked and loaded and ready to go. Oops, and I did not lock these too good, so we're going to relock these. Let's see, I'm going to unlock this one. So I might have left a little bit too much open on this side. But hopefully when I put the 2 right there, it'll make it all make sense. Okay, so now I'm going to try to put another 4. We're going to put some 2s when we get closer, and then we're going to put some 1s like directly near the edge. So I'm going to make a bigger part again this time. But not too big, not too much though. So I might have to refigure these a little later. I think I probably should have started just a little bit higher. But right now I'm running late. So I just want to show you guys kind of like first impressions. And that way too, I could kind of come back on later and tell you guys how they wore out, if that makes sense. Like, did I like, they're soft. I got to tell you that. They're super soft hair. They do have a coarser one, like the version here, if you want to try that. I have very thin hair, so this is what, you know, works best for me in my hair type. So, yes. And then because they're seamless, they lay a little bit flatter, so I do like that. And these are in here tight. Take this one out, put it in a little further down because it's kind of tight. There we go. Because you want it to be kind of flat. So I do got my flat irons on to do some flat ironing as well. So I think right here, I'm going to do like a 1. Part this kind of nicer than this and do like a 1. Do a 1 right here. So I'm going to do a 2 right here. And then I'm going to do a 1 right there. I think we're going to see, because the 2 might go around further than I think it might be going to go around. We're going to see. And again, I can't part. This is how I do my clip-ins. I normally part a little bit better than this, I'm not gonna lie. But like I'm running, like I said, I'm running just a tad bit late. And plus I just always try to find some hair for it to adhere to. But you see how it's all kind of blending together. So we love that. And I'll put another 2 on the other side of this, and then I'll probably do the 1s to kind of like be right there. Because you want a believable amount of leave-in to be left out. So we're gonna clip these ones in. And with my hair being so soft, it's also hard, especially when I get closer to the front, to really find like hair to like clip to, if that makes sense. This one needs to be tighter. Because this right here feels bulky. So then all we have left are 1s. So, but we still need some hair to cover this. So we're about to see how much hair really still, ooh, I got in that lash, boy. And don't fret, I'm gonna flat iron all of this in the front. So don't fret about that. So I think I'm gonna stay dangerous, leave this part kind of how it is. And what I'm gonna do is put 1 and 1 right here. Well, this one needs to be flatter right here. This one needs to be popped so it can be laying a little bit flatter, like so. So we're gonna put one of our 1s right here. Well, actually, I have another 2 left, so they give you a lot of hair. But I don't think we're gonna use it right now. Maybe next time when I do it, I'll realize there's a 2 that can be used. So we want this to lay as flat as possible. So this is kind of like a face framing piece. And then I want to kind of just do the same thing on the other side. So this is more so just to give a little bit of that, like I said, face framing. I am probably going to get these installed by my beautician at some point too. So that should be a fun experiment. I know right now it's looking crazy, but y'all just hold tight. So I still have one, like I said, I still have one clip in left with 2. But I feel like at this point, doesn't really make sense to put that one in too. So what I'm gonna do now is take this, see where we want this hair to fall over the clip-ins, like so. And I'm just gonna kind of give us a little bit of flat iron action. And I'm gonna show you guys kind of how far this goes down. So these go to about down there. And so that's what we're gonna do next is do some flat ironing. I could have swore I brought my little wig wax stick down here, but maybe I didn't. So I'm gonna use that when I get upstairs then, because I don't see it down here. But I already have heat protectant on here. I'm just kind of gonna give this a little light curl action. Anywhere where I see some hair still sticking out, we're gonna just kind of blend it with the other hair. Like here, we got a lot of hair, I think, sticking out, so we're just gonna blend it in like so. I think when I get upstairs to the wig stick and I can like get these edges together, it's gonna look a lot nicer. But the clip-ins themselves are amazing. It's just the blending of my hair because I'm running late. So I'm probably, like I said, gonna use my wig stick when I get upstairs. Not my wig stick. I got like a wax stick that like makes your hair flatter. Probably gonna have to put on some hair perfume because this is burning. Burning. But yeah, I think these look very natural. I got my edge control upstairs too, so we're gonna wait and get that together. So I'll show you guys probably a picture once or a video once I actually can get the rest of this put together the way it needs to be put together, because I am running late. Extremely late, actually. And I still need to stop and get some cash because it's a brunch, so you know you be needing your cash so you can have your exact amount of money you need. But these waves are really pretty too. So again, I love the quality of this hair. I just need to blend it out better. But this quality, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this quality is beautiful. This is some good hair. Like, I'm excited about this. So I'm gonna take my flat irons upstairs, grab my wig stick, throw on my dress, and I'll show you guys kind of what I look like when I do all of those things. And some of these right here could probably be a little flatter, but when I do it again, I know where I want to put them. I want to spread them. I want to spread them out a little bit more at the bottom, but I love these. Get these, grab these. These are the body waves, and you probably can straighten it, do all that to it too. But this is just a quick look at the hair. And like I said, I still have a 2-piecer left. So that is good. If you got a thicker head, you might be able to get away with 1 pack. I'm glad I only got 1 pack. I think I spent about $190 with shipping on these, so not bad. And this quality is lit.